Hi, I'm John Thielen. Hey, let me show you a rod holder system from Marine Tech. It's called Angler's Pal Rod Holders and Mounting Systems. These things are the greatest way to go. They're the only rod holders and mounting systems I use on my boat. I'll show you why. You can see I've got this one set up right here with a trolling rod. Now, if I were trolling crankbaits and I get a fish on here, it's real easy for me to pull that out and get to work with a fish. Now, with some of the other ones, you're struggling to bend it the right way and get it out of that holder. With this one, it's as simple as in and out. With the pressure you have on it, you never lose a rod. I've never lost a rod, and the tubes are easier to work. The other thing is that these things work for any situation. You can see here I've got a bobber out the back. It's real simple for me. That bobber goes down. It's as easy as pull that rod out, start reeling in the fish. No hassle, no twisting and turning trying to get anything out of a rod holder. Now, I also want to show you something else. What's great about these rod holders is they're completely saltwater ready because they're built from stainless steel and aluminum. But they also have something that the competition doesn't have, and that is a solid aluminum ball in here. So in the heat of summer, or on the coastlines when you seem to have summer all year long, the bottom line is this ball will not crush like the competition's does because it's solid aluminum, which means you're going to get a lot more years of use out of that rod holder. You're also going to get a full range of motion, so you can set this holder anywhere you want to put it, any direction you need it to be. For the type of fishing you're doing, simply tighten it down and you're ready to go. It's as simple as that. Now I want to show you the mounting systems for the graphs. The Angler's Pal electronics mounting system is definitely the best one on the market today, and I want to show you why. Just like the rod holders, it has brushed aluminum balls, but here's the deal. There's two of them in this one and two tightening points, okay? These graphs have gotten so much bigger and they're heavy. I mean, if you take this graph right here, it literally weighs a lot more than anything we ever used to fish with. So you need a pretty heavy-duty mount to hold this one up. The competition's mount has one tightening point, and it's in the center of the arm, and you're actually trying to suck in the ends to hold the unit. What you have here is totally different with Angler's Pal. You actually tighten this knob, and it tightens this joint. When you tighten this one, it tightens this one as well. That means you can hold this big graph, and I can actually move that, and you see I'm actually not moving that at all. It's not changing position. It always comes back to the same spot. I can pound through the waves and it never moves. Again, stainless steel, all brushed aluminum, completely saltwater ready, ready to go on those big boats out on the coast or on a walleye or bass boat right here in the Midwest. Angler's Pal by Marine Tech, marinetechproducts.com.